Time to take care of the duckies. They've gotten so big since we've had them. Gotten them, I mean. Look at that. Try to live, stinking duty. Man, go eat. Shut up. I ain't bothering you. You up there. Weirdo. So our ducks main feed consists of pellets and cracked corn. I also give them worms throughout the week. I'm getting ready to create a little worm farm so that we can harvest their own worms and bugs. And then I keep goldfish and minnows as well in the tank inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just breed them, so I gotta keep worrying about going back and forth to the store. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I also have guppies inside. So, you know, guppies breed super rapidly. So they have a really high and fast production rate. So it'll be a nice source of protein for them to feast on throughout the week or throughout the month. I figure if I breed what they can eat, then I ain't got to keep going back to the store. It's a natural, healthy source of protein.